The topic is order and molecularity of reaction. Order of reaction. So for a reaction, let's consider XA plus YB so on gives ZC plus so on. These are the reactants and these are the products. X and Y are the stoichiometric coefficients in this reaction. So for this particular reaction, the rate of the reaction will be proportional to concentration of A raised to the power small a into concentration of B raised to the concentrate into raised to the power B. So if you remove the proportionality symbol, you can replace it by equal to, and you will introduce a new term that is a constant, and this constant is known as rate constant. So for order of the reaction, the coefficients A and B may or may not be equal to X and Y. One thing you need to remember always when you are determining the order of reaction is the stoichiometric coefficients does not always give the order of reaction. So here this small a represents the order of reaction with respect to A, and B represents the order of reaction with respect to B. So A plus B will be the overall order of the reaction. So next topic, before coming to molecularity, you need to know about elementary reaction. Basically, elementary reactions are those which completes just in a single step. So these reactions may also involve one or more elementary steps or a sequence of elementary steps. So the overall rate of the reaction would be dependent on the slowest step. Always you need to remember that the slowest step is known as the rate determining step. So next is molecularity. Having said about elementary reaction, molecularity is nothing but the number of molecules that takes part in an elementary reaction is known as molecularity. So order of an elementary reaction is always equal to its molecularity. That thing you need to remember. And the next point is elementary reactions with molecularity greater than 3 is not very well known. So these are rare. So molecularity would be 1, 2 or at most 3, and beyond that there is no molecularity. So what are the differences between molecularity and order? So here I have summarized the differences between molecularity and order of reaction. See, first point is in molecularity, the total number of reacting species, either they can be atoms, molecules or ions that bring a chemical change. So it is the number of reacting species, whereas order is the sum of powers of the molar concentration of the reactant species which we express in the rate equation. The second point is molecularity is a whole number. That means it can be 1, 2, 3, etc. Whereas order in for order it is a whole number. It can be 0 or it can be fractional. 1 by 2, 3 by 2, 5 by 2. These also can be possible for order. Molecularity is basically a theoretical concept, while order of a reaction is experimentally determined. So you will do perform the experiment in order to determine the order of reaction. But molecularity, it's just a theoretical concept where theoretically you will know what is the molecularity, or the how many number of reacting species are present. Then the last point is molecularity is meaningful only for simple reactions or individual steps of a complex reaction. It means that I have already told that molecularity will be determined only for elementary reactions. So if there are complex reactions which consists of so many steps, then you will choose molecularity from the rate determining step. Other than that, if the reaction is a very complex reaction, then molecularity does not make any sense in that point. Then the final point for order is it is meant for the reaction and it is not for the individual step. So the order is determined for the overall reaction, while molecularity is determined for elementary or single steps reactions. So these are the differences between molecularity and order.